How's it going, everyone? Colin Coogan with Confluence Outfitters. Today we've spent the day out here on Hat Creek in the wild trout section below Powerhouse 2 into the lower reaches, and just want to give you guys a fishing report. We'll be out here starting in the next week or so, taking trips for walk and wade fishing. Today was a little overcast. We've got a little rain going on throughout the day, but intermittent hatches, some blue wing olives, some midges going on. And we were pretty successful. We were able to find our fair share of fish. So if you're thinking about getting out of those drift boats with us and getting on foot, Hat Creek would be a great option over the next couple months into the spring.